my people. Come on to me. I'm turning your stone into bread. And I'm turning water into wine. Come and eat the bread of life. Oh, ye, my people. Come and eat the bread of life. Everlasting grace. Oh, you people. I'm turning water into wine.
This is plain.
This one they turn. This one they turn. Come and see the bread of life. This one they turn stone to bread. And they turn water to wine. Now opportunity be that to. Now me say if I kidnap her now, I go become bread company. I go dey sell bread anyhow for this Nigeria.
God have mercy
I go dey
upon
sell
us.
wine. Opportunity come to once. I'm turning stone into bread and I'm turning water into wine. Come now! Tomorrow might be too late. I'm turning stone. Few seconds later. Bros J, you talk say you dey turn stone to bread.
You think say they wise?
I dey hungry. Turn this thing to bread, sharp sharp.
My brother, I'm not turning any stone to bread. I'm just trying to tell you that Jesus loves you. As in, you should give your life to Christ. That's what I'm trying to say.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
No, as in...
Oga, turn this thing to bread.
I'm not the turn stone to bread now. I'm not the turn... Where my power no reach like that. I just trying to tell you that you should give your life to Christ.
You dey whine me?
Please, my brother, don't do this thing to me.
1, 2,
Jesus.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I'm not the turn stone. I'm not the turn stone.
Oga, turn this thing to turn this thing to bread.
Jesus. You're not doing... I'm not the turn stone. I swear I'm not the turn any stone. I'm not the turn any stone. I beg now.